guys, Melissa here, and with this session I want to talk to you a little bit about what your clients' options are as far as it comes to having their dog groomed professionally and hopefully having it groomed professionally by you. But even if you are the only game in town, you're the only salon, just always remember that clients still have options. And to me, it's really important to not only provide a quality service that is warm, compassionate, friendly, and it's going to yield a quality product, but it is to build a relationship with that customer so that they never even remotely think about exercising any of their other options. But have you ever thought about what options your clients actually have? I mean, sure, they can use you, which is what you're hoping for, but they could also, if your service slips a little bit, if they have a bad experience with you, they're going to pick up the phone and they're going to call a competitor. And so you certainly don't want that to happen. Or another option that they have is maybe they start wanting to groom the dog themselves. Boy, how many of us have had that happen to us? And then all of a sudden, the client realizes that it's a lot harder to groom their own dog than what they thought, and they ultimately end up coming back to us. But others, maybe they find they enjoy grooming their own dog, but no matter what, you've lost that client, and so that is revenue not coming into your pocket. So you don't want that to happen either. You don't want them grooming their dog themselves. And then the final option, the fourth option that clients have is they just don't do anything. They don't have the dog professionally groomed. And we all know for the hygienics and side of things and for the pet's well-being, it's really important to have the dog groomed. Not only are we giving them a bath and probably a skin conditioning treatment, a haircut, or maybe just a really good brush out, but we're also trimming nails and we're also cleaning ears. And we go over that dog from the tip of their nose to the tip of their tail. So we are very experienced, almost trained observers, and we're going to notice anything unusual. And one of the things that I always think about as a pet professional is that I want to work in harmony with the owner, with the veterinarian, to keep that dog in the best condition and the healthiest and happiest that it can be. And so I want to see that client on a very regular basis. And I just don't ever want to give that client the option to look for something else, to exercise one of those three other options. I mean, they've got the four options. Use you, use your competitor, do it themselves, or not do it at all. And I certainly hope that you are looking to really cement that relationship with that client so that they never exercise those other three options. Because if they're exercising those other three options, you're not going to be in business very long. So always think about how you can work in harmony with your clients to maintain that positive relationship and to do a great job on every dog that walks into your salon or cat. Dogs and cats, make sure that you do everything in your power to make your clients come back, because that's the name of the game: repeat business.